Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 2070 most beautiful item for each query. And in this we are given two integer array items where items of I is represents price and beauty I of, and where price I denotes the price and beauty denote of a respective item. I don't know why I just fumbled a lot at this point. Okay, and in this we are also given a 0 next integer array queries. For each queries in the queries we want to determine the maximum beauty of an item whose price is less than or equal to queries j, and if no such item exists we have to answer this query to 0, and we have to return an array answer of the same length as queries where answer of j is the answer to the jth query. Okay, for example we are having items as one, basically the hero item is priced 1 and its beauty is 2, I guess. Yeah, its beauty is 2. This is first item's priced at 3 and its beauty is 2, and so on. So we are having queries as 1 2 3 4 5 6. So basically the item whose price is 1 or less than 1 and which is having the maximum beauty, that is 2. That's why 2 is our answer. Similarly for 2, it's going to be, yeah, 4. 4 as my best answer. But for 3 you'll see I am having two items which one is two, there are two items which are priced at 3, but they're having different beauty, so we have to return the one with the maximum beauty, that is 5. So that's why 5 is our answer, and so on. Okay, so for this firstly we'll be sorting our items array on the basis of their price, a comma b, and here a0 minus b0, and then what we're doing is that up to the ith index we'll be updating the maximum beauty which we'll be having, so that it will be easier for us to find the values. Okay, sorry about that. So firstly what we'll be doing is, yeah, rest is done. Let's have the maximum variable, that is equal to items 0 first, because initially that will be only our maximum value. So for I equal to 1, I less than queries, no, oh sorry, items dot length I plus plus, and then what I'll be doing is I'll be updating my max as maximum of max comma items I1, and then I'll be updating my items of I1 with the maximum value. Now I need to have an answer array of size new int or size queries dot length, and let's have a variable I which is pointing towards answer, so initially which is 0, then for int query in queries. Okay, I'll be updating my answer of I plus plus. For this I'll be using binary search, so I'll be having a function of bin search, and this I'll be passing the items array and my particular query which is the price, and at the end I'll just return the answer array. And now let's write the function, that is private int, sorry about that, private int bin search, and this we are having a 2D items array, items items nice, and int price. Okay, now let's have two pointers, left equal to 0 and right which is equal to items dot length minus 1 and also let's have the max beauty variable which is equal to initially 0 now, while left is less than or equal to right. What we'll be doing is basically firstly we'll be calculating the mid, that is equal to left plus right by right shifting it to 1 bit. So we'll be checking that if sorry, items mid 0 is greater than my price, then I need to decrement my right boundary, so right is equal to mid minus 1, else I have found a better answer, so I'll be updating my max beauty variable with maximum of max beauty comma items I1, and also left will be equal to mid plus 1, and at the end I'll return max beauty. Oh, max beauty. Now let's give it a run. Oh, cannot find Oh, max mid. Let's give it a run again. And it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. And it works perfectly fine as well. Okay, so this was it. Thank you for watching. Oh, close to 500.